Alright, so here we have the Atmotube Pro. Let's do a quick unboxing of it. I got this with the discount for $160 plus shipping. And we got some information on the outside of the box, and it shipped pretty quick. I think I got this within 5 days of the order. Comes with a little instruction manual, USB-C charging cable, carabiner so you can carry it. It's intended to carry with you on a backpack or keep it on your bicycle or whatever. And then you have the device itself. A little information in the manual there. That's pretty much everything that comes with it. You need 2 apps, PlanetWatch app and the official Atmotube app. First, obviously, you're going to download the PlanetWatch from Play Store to allow the location, and you're going to set yourself up an account. So, you need an email address and a PIN number created, and you'll get a little email to activate your account. This needs to be the same email that you used when you bought the license, and as long as you got that set up, you'll get access to the PlanetWatch. Let's accept the terms, and it's going to give us our passphrases, and then it's going to ask us to validate the passphrase. So make sure you write that down, take a screenshot, whatever you need. After which it's going to create the wallet. This is the same Algo wallet that we'll use with the Algo signer or any Algo wallet that you choose. You basically just import that passphrase that was completed. From here we'll gain access to the sensor and the map as well. Not going to show much of the map, obviously, since it don't care to have everybody on YouTube knowing where I live. So here you have your air quality score overall, red, orange, green, and blue. You have your VOC, your volatile organic compounds. This is our sprays, chemicals, different things like that. And then you have particulate matter, shown in micrograms per cubic meter. And there's some better descriptions online about that. Next thing, we're going to get the official Atmotube app. Now this is just used to interact with the sensor itself. Sign in with your Google account or sign in with a different email. You can also continue as a guest if you just want to take a look at it. Once you get signed in here, similar interface. It's going to show you the VOC, particulate matter. It's going to ask you for location and Bluetooth access, and show you your devices you can connect to. And here we are seeing our air is severely polluted. Now it will take a few minutes for the device to heat up, the sensor to heat up, and it says it takes about 12 hours before you start getting quality readings. When I scroll through, it gives you temperature, humidity as well, barometer, and has the map built in there. We cut that portion out. After a little while, my air quality improved. I guess it was just heating up. And if you get it new, likely will be a firmware update. This is sped up significantly, so it will take a little more time for us to download that and install it when you're doing it yourself. And you can see our air quality is already starting to improve, and it's telling us our sensor's reheating. That's the device rebooted. Here's a button on front that you can press and get a quick look if you don't have the app out. It'll tell you what your air quality looks like based off a color LED. And it's pretty handy if you don't want to open it up. Now I chose to do the Algorand wallet and the Algo Signer extension. Put the links for this down in the description. Basically, you can add it to any Chrome app that you have yourself logged into. So we'll start the Algorand wallet. We're going to recover it with that passphrase that was provided. Give our account a name, and this will give us access to our Planet's token. And from there we'll go over to the desktop computer and talk more. Alright, so here we are on the desktop taking a look at the PlanetWatch website. So here the main bullet point: earn rewards and help us all build a global air quality monitoring network. So it's planetwatch.us. There's some different information about it. I think it's a pretty cool idea to have a global air quality monitoring. Helpful for us to know, and for me to know what when we're breathing in close by. Most of this team is based in France, European, as well as most of the active sensors. Currently, there's only the stage 4 sensors available here in the US. That's the Atmotube. Just some information to scroll through. It's got links to their white paper, got links to token information, so on and so forth. So the way you access this is with the Algo Sign plugin or extension, Algo Signer. And that brings up your wallet and also gives you access here to the PlanetWatch Explorer. So we'll take a look at here, and so what it's showing green is great, blue is not so great. See, it kind of changes throughout the day. Tells you when it was last updated. Gives you historical data. This just got set up last night, so there's not a lot of data. And we haven't earned any Planet tokens yet because, again, they're paid out once a day. And we have not been operating for a day yet. So token earnings depends on size of network, how available your detector is, and obviously the size and the global pool. So you have to have your detector respond to 50% or more of the data streams per day in order to be qualified for rewards. The rewards are given an 80-20 split. 80% goes to the miner, 20% to PlanetWatch itself. And you can also split that out to third party, for example, if you have somebody hosting your sensors for you. There is also some rewards gained when third parties purchase the data from PlanetWatch using the Earth credits, and you receive a portion. I'll post a snippet from the white paper on the portion. So there's 4 types of sensors. We have a type 4. There's also type 1, 2, and 3. Types 1 and 2 have different tiers. And I'll post a little picture from the white paper there about that as well. Tier 1 and 2, or type 1 and 2, rewards are based off reputation. So in the case that you have sensors close by to each other, your reputation would determine who gets the greatest reward. Tier 1s are high population density areas, and Tier 2 is everywhere else. I think they defined 2,000 people per square kilometer as a high density area. You do have to purchase a license to interface with the website and to gain the Planet tokens. I paid $60 US for 2 years, so $30 a year is no big deal. So we're gonna do a follow-up, probably about a week. We'll talk about earnings. There's not a lot to really talk about at this point. It's pretty new technology. So you can also see here that we're rewarded in Planet tokens, and we'll go over here to CoinGecko. Currently, the Planet's token is sitting at right at 11 cents. Again, I don't know what type of earnings, and obviously this isn't financial advice. It's just a hobby. I have heard through forums and such that you're looking about $3 a day on this Atmotube device, which cost me $159 plus your $30 a year subscription fee. So pretty quick return as far as earnings go, assumed. And like I said, we'll do a follow-up video a week, maybe 2 weeks from now. We'll talk about what it has earned in Planet tokens and what kind of availability I've been seeing. Basically, this is set up with an old phone, Bluetooth, and sitting in a room in my house. Have been getting pretty good connectivity overnight. So one thing to note that it is Android, and with Android, it will still transmit data while it's running in the background. But with iOS, it will not transmit that data while running in the background. Working on another video to set up Android on a Raspberry Pi so we can have that running 24/7 with some other programs running in the background and interface with the sensor itself. Better than having my cell phone plugged in 24/7. A couple other notable things. There was a 5% pre-mine for the developers, which seems to be pretty typical with most any of these devices. Somebody's got to pay for marketing and for developing and for websites and cloud hosting and so on. So you can also take your earned tokens and transfer them into what they're calling Earth credits. In the future, you'll be able to buy air filter systems, different things like that with those Earth credits themselves. Being that the Planets is listed, I believe it's Bitfinex that you can exchange them on. Now, I'm in the US, so I can't access that, but this is just long term. I think it's a pretty cool idea and something I can easily have hang out and just run on the counter. All right, appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment if you want to see a video of something, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks.